up? Welcome back to my channel. I have absolutely no makeup on, zero, because we're doing a getting ready with me using BoxyCharm. And I don't just have August BoxyCharm, I also have July's BoxyCharm that I never shared with you guys. I'm pretty sure I did a BoxyCharm in July, but it was actually June's BoxyCharm because I had both of these BoxyCharms kind of piled up. It was just like this whole mess. So I haven't showed you guys July's BoxyCharm. I have August BoxyCharm, so I thought we'd combine it and just get ready and create some sort of look, and I'd share both boxes with you just in case you're interested or curious, or you have both boxes and you can get ready with me. I thought it'd be just really fun. So I hope you like these type of videos. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. And yeah, let's get started with putting on some makeup. I usually at least have my eyebrows done, but there is an eyebrow product that I'm really excited to try in July's box. So let's just get into it. But I'll go through and share with you guys July's BoxyCharm, and I'll put the prices of everything on the screen. So BoxyCharm is a subscription service. I have the Grace and Stella, it's like an energy drink for your eyes eye mask. It's an anti-wrinkle. There is the 111 Skin Harley St. London's Boosting Defense Anti-Pollution Booster. Looks like this, looks like this. So I've done my skincare, so we're gonna kind of skip that this time. There's the Pure Festival palette, which is a pressed pigment palette, which I'm super excited. I really do love Pure Cosmetics, and they're starting to become one of my favorite eyeshadow brands. I have so many palettes from them and they're so good. Oh, this looks gorgeous. Like, look at this palette. It's gorgeous. And then this is what, oh no, one of my pigments has almost shattered right here. So this is what the palette looks like, and I just love their palettes. I'm gonna try to like press it back together. That's what this palette looks like. We have the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil in dark brunette, which I'm really excited about, and the Fierce and Fine graphic liner from Doucce. Just a fine tip liner. Okay, so we have those two. So I'm gonna start with my brows, and we're gonna get started here. Ooh, this pencil is really pretty in that pretty typical packaging there. Oh, it's kind of like, it's not like a point, it's like a little line, one of those, which is fine. Let's see how it does. In, I think it was June's BoxyCharm, I got an eyebrow pencil from Kat Von D Cosmetics, KVD Cosmetics is what they're called now, and it was horrible. It was super dry. I didn't like it at all. It like hurt to put on just to get pigment. And I guess I did get like a taupe color, but still, usually I'll use taupe because my hair is blonde and it works pretty well. So my eyebrows are trimmed up. Let's look in the August BoxyCharm box. We have seen some Morphe. I got this 4-piece eye brush. So let's check this out. I've gotten Morphe brushes before and they're good. A lot of my brushes are Morphe, but I'm not gonna lie, my favorite brushes are not Morphe brushes. And these ones feel very light and cheap compared to the other Morphe brushes. They're very cheap, I think, but whatever, we're gonna use them. Oh, there's also these cooling water eye patches from Milk Cosmetics. Leave on to 10-15 minutes, so I'll leave one of these on for 10 minutes while I do my eye makeup, I guess. So we got this eyeshadow palette from Butter London. It's called Teddy Boy. And I was kind of excited because it looks like this, and it's one of those ones that opens like that. And it's just basically a smoky eye palette. And I think that that's perfect because tonight's date night. So we have all these smoky colors. and I think they're really beautiful. So we have smoky colors here. We have these fun colors here. So let's just see, in this beautiful like shimmery black. So let's see what we can do with this palette here. So I'm gonna start with Nigel, which is right here. And I'm gonna put that basically right under the brow. Ooh, these brushes are soft though, I do give them that. And I'm gonna go into Simon, which is right here. We're gonna try to do a smoky eye here. So I've been going down the rabbit hole, guys. I've been going down the true crimes rabbit hole. Well, I've been watching true crime videos on YouTube. Tell me who your favorite true crime YouTuber is down below in the comments. Do you watch that or are you not into that? Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a little bit of dream vibe here. Let's see if it's called Dreamland. Let's see if I can make it a little bit peachy at the very top here so that it can hopefully, I can have a smoky eye with a peachy blush. That's kind of what my goal is to do here, is a peachy blush with a smoky eye. And I think if I add this in the transition, that I can do this. Anyways, who am I obsessed with? Let me look at who the YouTuber is that I'm obsessed with. I'm obsessed with Savannah Brimmer. Is it Brimmer? Hers are so good. So I'm going down her true crime playlist. Okay, so I'm gonna go into Graham. But I just love the way she tells the story. It makes me want to continue watching her because I think that she tells it really good. Okay, so I'm gonna put more of this dark color there. And really close to the lashes. Okay, so there's this like smaller brush here. I'm gonna use this one with Graham or Graham, whatever, however you say it. I think it's Graham. And get really close to the lashes and just smudge it there. And then I'm gonna take this brush, this fluffy brush, go back into Simon, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Okay, so I'm gonna take off these patches now. Wow, and it feels very, very moisturized. Oh, it's weird. It feels very moisturized, but it's like it's sunk into the skin because there's like no residue left. I like those patches. Go back in with that dark brown. Really close to the lashes. Okay, and then I'm gonna get Billy here, which is this one. And I'm putting that with this flat brush all over the lid. And I'm gonna spray it. Probably the most worn look of my whole life is a smoky eye. And then I'm going back in with this dark brown. I think what I'm gonna do is put Francis, which is even darker, on the outer corner. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the next thing. So I have the Big Fat Liner Kohl Marker Pencil I got in August BoxyCharm, and then last month's BoxyCharm was the Fine Tip. So we're gonna use them both. Let's see how they both work. So I'm gonna start. The wing that I got with this one. Let's see what we can do with this Big Fat Liner, which actually isn't that bad. What's so funny about this here, I feel like this one was stiffer, so I was able to really get it on the point and make a point, whereas this one, the tip was kind of flimsy, so it kind of like, it was harder, if that makes sense, to press on the tip because it would bend. So I kind of like this one better, but these are both really good. I'm impressed at how black and how easy it was to create my wings. I mean, I'm not the best with wings, I'm not gonna lie, but this was actually fairly easy. I do wanna put a little bit of Archie here, like right under the brow. Skin. The next thing in the box, the August BoxyCharm, is the QMS Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. I'm a little nervous for putting this on, but we will put this on. This is light sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins, blurs imperfections, even skin tone. It's for all skin tones and skin types. I'm putting like the tiniest amount. It feels weird. It feels, I don't like it. It feels like, yeah, I don't like it. It feels like there's little bits of, like there's little balls in it. I don't know, I don't like how it feels. It's not smooth at all. Oh, the fat liner costs $25, and this cost, the cooling eye patches is $22. The Teddy Boy is $28, and this is $105. No, I would never buy this for $105. I'm just saying no. Today I'm gonna use the No Pore Blim Primer. Yeah, never in a million years would I buy that. Okay, I'm gonna use the Pat McGrath Labs foundation. It's been a while since I've used this and I just love it. So I'm gonna use this. If you guys don't know who this is Davey. He's gonna chill with us today because I guess he wants to be over here. Really quickly, let's finish the rest of it, of my face together. So this is one I got in the June's BoxyCharm. It's the Laura Geller Trio, and holy do I love this. It is so good. So I'm using the bronzer here, cream bronzer. I mean, it almost has a pink tint. It's odd, but holy moly, I love it. Like, I love how it looks. It's just like not something I would expect to like, but I like it. Oh, sorry, did I poke you? He's like mad at me right now. Oh, if you didn't know, I have a pet channel. Just like vlogging with my family and sharing my pets. So if you like that type of thing, it's always linked below, Bomb Beauty's Jungle. Now I'm gonna bronze using, of course, the Too Faced Sweet Hearts bronzer. Okay, I should probably finish concealer and then set my face. I totally started to do that and I didn't set my face. Although honestly, Pat McGrath sets itself, so maybe I won't set my entire face, but I'll definitely do some concealer. So I'm gonna use the Hourglass concealer. I've done that before bronzer, and I'm gonna have to probably redo my bronzer a little bit. The most satisfying part of my whole makeup is doing the face. It's just so satisfying to me. I just find that I have so much fun with it. Now let's finish the eyes. Let's finish the eyes. I have these Alter Ego eyelashes that I want to try out, and I don't want anything too crazy, but I do want something that's kind of wispy at the end. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these ones, and these are the style Amour, and I think they're just absolutely gorgeous. So let's put these on. I've never tried Alter Ego before, so it'll be interesting to see. I mean, look at this. This morning my boys came in here and just put eyeliner all over their faces when I was sleeping. and I woke up to that mess. Wow, these are so curly. Oh my word, they're gorgeous. So you can see how like curly and wispy these are. These are so gorgeous. Super impressed. I'm gonna grab GRWM right here and start kind of smudging that underneath the eyes. And I'm gonna get that peach color and blend it out. Boom, lashes done. Next, blush. You guys are probably tired of seeing this blush, but this blush is literally the same color as that eyeshadow. This is the Buxom Wonderlist in Mykanos, one of my absolute favorites. So I'm gonna use this blush. A little tip how to make a smoky eye look good with you if you have warm skin. In the transition shade, do something like I did where I did like a peach and then match that same peach color to your blush and it will link everything together. So even though my eye is very cool toned, that peach links like to the eye when you look at it. It looks like it all goes together. Even though my face is pretty much warm, it's just literally the eyeshadow on my lid that's cool. It just makes it all look really good together. So that's just a little tip. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Glow Powder. This is like a very natural highlight. We're gonna use that. By the way, guys, something I wanna tell you guys about BoxyCharm. I've had BoxyCharm for a while. I got this Luxie brush in BoxyCharm. Most of all my brushes that I use are all BoxyCharm. I've got them all from BoxyCharm. My favorite eye brushes I've received in BoxyCharm. And I've bought a lot of my own brushes too, but I don't even buy brushes anymore because honestly, like you don't have to if you have BoxyCharm. I'm not saying that to like, I'm not sponsored by BoxyCharm or anything weird like that, but like all my Luxie brushes that I love, BoxyCharm. I've never bought one Luxie brush in my entire life. This brush I used for cream, again, Luxie, BoxyCharm. My favorite, this one, my favorite bronzing brush of all time, BoxyCharm. Anyways, I'm gonna spray my face now. Okay, so this is the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in Cafe. I'm gonna go over top of that with this peachy liquid lip. This is the AOA Lip Pop. I just am obsessed with this in Role Model. Yeah, this cost $1, guys, $1. I need to do a video of my favorite Miss A products. What do you guys think if I did something like that? Comment below and let me know. Do you want to see that? What do you guys think of my BoxyCharm look? Okay, so this is how my look turned out, you guys. What do you think? I actually really like it. I really like that smoky eye palette. I love having palettes that are specifically for smoky eyes. So anytime that I'm feeling that romantic vibe, I can just take it out and I know that I have like everything I need. So I'm pretty dang impressed. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And by the way, this is Davey. If you guys want to see him in more of my videos, just chilling with me, hit the like. And yeah, I guess that's it, you guys. I love you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.